Hello everyone, look at these star-shaped containers. Let's make it. So take a square paper, fold it from its sides and diagonals. Again fold it. Here we are making crease, so flip it and fold it from its sides. Now we are going to make the petals here. So start making small folds and do the same from all its sides. Now gently flip it and again fold the paper. Now we are going to open it and give it shape like we're doing here. Gently open it and look, your container is ready. You can put your jewelries and small things inside it. We're going to make this organizer. These mini organizers are great for small items. So we are folding these printed craft paper from its diagonals and then from its sides as well. Now open it. Here we are making the box. So fold it. Your box is ready. Now keep it aside. Take another piece of paper. Again start folding it from its sides like this. Open it. Again fold it like we are doing here. Making the lid of the box. Fold it from its sides like this. Now gently press it from its corners and look, your lid is ready. After this, we're going to make the partitions for the box. So take another piece of paper and make multiple folds from its sides. Again fold it from its corners. Press it like this and look, it's done. Put it inside the box and close the lid and look, your box is ready. Let's make this bird container. So fold this blue craft paper, fold it into half. Now make the beak and make the space at the back using fingers and look, your bird container is ready. In this video, we're going to make these mini containers using craft paper. So take a craft paper. We are taking this printed craft paper. Now fold it and make a triangular shape. Fold it from its sides, open it and tuck the paper inside. Again, we are going to flip it and do the same from this side as well. Now we are going to give shape to the base. So we are going to flip it and gently open it using your thumb and your container is ready. We're going to make these easy paper bags. So pick it up, open it and you're good to go. Let's get started. We are folding this rectangular piece of paper. Fold it into half and then from its sides, tuck the paper inside, flip it and again start folding from its corners. Now we are going to tuck paper inside like we're doing here. Flip it and do the same from this side as well. Now gently open it and look, it's ready. We are going to make this container using craft paper. So take a rectangle paper, start folding it into half. Now again fold it and make two triangles. Fold it from its bottom side, flip it and again fold it from its sides like this. Again fold it like we are doing here into half. Now tuck the paper inside like this. Now pull it downwards from the triangular part and gently open it. Fix the base and your container is ready. We're going to make pen stand today using craft paper. So take this pink craft paper and start folding it like we are doing here. Fold it from its sides. Now make cuts using cutter and fold it again and paste it using glue like this and make a box like we are doing here. Now fold the base like this. Open it. You can paste stickers like this. Put pens inside and look, it is ready. We're going to make this paper cracker. Look at it. Let's get started. So take a rectangular piece of paper, fold it into half, then fold it from its sides and top as well. Again fold it and then we're going to flip it. Again fold it like this and look, it is ready. You just have to hold it like this and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.